Add Discord bots. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you add bots to Discord. So what here you need to do is, if you want to, or if you find a bot on a website like top.gg or Discord bot list, you could simply follow these steps. So first of all, you must have a managed server. Permissions or be the server owner. You can add them through Discord built-in directory or via external Discord bot as well. So what you need is open up any browser that you have and type in top.gg. This is where you could go ahead and add in your Discord bot. So you could go ahead and search for the bot that you like to go ahead and add in. I'm going to go ahead and add this for now. So I'm just going to go ahead and select view. And you could go ahead and select invite. Once you select the invite button, it's going to ask you to enter in the information of your Discord. So you could simply go ahead and mark on the terms and conditions or select the server and select authorize. Once you've authorized this, you need to go ahead and mark on the terms and conditions as well. And once again, go to authorize. After that, you just want to log into your Discord account. If prompted in your browser, select the server from the drop-down menu, select continue, review, and review all the permissions and select authorize. Then completely, you then need to tap on I'm human CAPTCHA verification that appears, and that's how you'll be able to successfully add Discord bot. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.